Get rid of blackheads instantly. This is not a painful peel-off mask. This mask will literally squeeze your blackheads out instantly and painlessly. I only applied this onto my nose area where I get blackheads, but this mask is so incredible all over your entire face too. All you need: yeast, coconut milk. 1. Mix the two until you get a paste. You only need a few drops of milk. 2. Apply to your nose or all over your face if you want. 3. Let it dry completely. 4. Wash off with lukewarm water in circular motions and the blackheads will pop out. You will feel it coming. I had a blackhead on my nose that was bugging me so bad, and this popped it out so quick. Your skin will feel so soft, smooth, and buttery as soon as you wash it off. This isn't just great for blackheads, it's great at brightening our skin, hydrating, anti-aging, tightening and acne killing. Do this as often as you like. 1 to 2 times a week will give you incredible results. Why this works: yeast is used in a lot of expensive skincare products from Sky, Ren, etc. because of the amazing natural benefits it has. It's high in amino acids, protein, minerals, antioxidants and vitamins which help to smooth your skin, soften it to remove blackheads and brighten and hydrate. If you have wrinkles, apply this mask to your entire face and you'll notice tighter, more firm skin. Coconut milk is great because it's an antibacterial, so it's gonna prevent future blackheads. It's also extremely moisturizing, which aids in softening the blackhead, and it's soothing to the skin. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.